In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create cinematic videos with Google VO3 Flow and Gemini. Whether you're a seasoned filmmaker or just starting out, these tools can elevate your video projects to a professional level with ease and efficiency. So let's dive right in and explore the process step by step. Firstly, begin by opening Gemini. If you haven't already signed up or downloaded the Gemini app, you'll want to take a moment to do so. Gemini is central to our workflow today, providing the AI capabilities integral for crafting stunning cinematic experiences. Once you have it open, you'll find yourself ready to plan out your cinematic vision. Now onto an often overlooked but vital step: planning your cinematic video. Before you rush into production, consider the story you want to tell. What emotions do you want to evoke? What visual styles or themes are you aiming to convey through your video? Having a mental roadmap will guide every subsequent step and ensure cohesion and clarity in your final product. You might choose to jot down your ideas, create a storyboard, or even sketch out scenes to help visualize your concepts. With your plan in place, it's time to move into the digital workspace. Click on Tools within Gemini and select Generate Videos with VO. This is where the magic begins. Google VO3 Flow is a cutting-edge tool that takes your concepts and translates them into digital film. The interface is intuitive, ensuring you can focus on the creative aspects without getting bogged down by technicalities. Now comes a creative challenge that's also incredibly rewarding: inputting prompts for each scene. When doing so, be as detailed and descriptive as possible. Think about things like lighting, atmosphere, and camera movements. For instance, you might specify a golden hour glow for that warm, nostalgic feel, or a sweeping drone shot to convey epic scale. The more precise your prompts, the better VEO will realize your vision, allowing you to achieve a cinematic quality akin to high-budget productions. Once you've got your visual elements sorted, turn to Gemini AI to craft narration or voiceover for your video. This feature is fantastic for adding depth and narrative layers to your work. Whether you aim for a storyteller approach with a warm, inviting tone, or a thriller-esque narration dripping with suspense, the AI can generate scripts to match your intentions. With polished, professional-sounding narration, your video won't just be visually compelling, but audibly engaging as well. In just a few simple steps, you have harnessed the power of Google VO3 Flow and Gemini to create something truly cinematic. With a bit of practice, these tools will become second nature, offering you the creative freedom to explore and experiment. Thank you for joining me in today's video, and I can't wait to see what incredible projects you create.